Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV TutorialForTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Windows 10 11 bootable USB flash drive using Media Creation tool. If you want to perform a reinstall or clean install of Windows 11 on a new or used PC, you need to create a Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive. For that, you have to download the Windows 11 Media Creation tool. That is what we are going to do, so watch the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. First of all, make sure you have an internet connection and sufficient data storage available on the computer or external USB drive you are downloading the ISO file to. A blank USB flash drive with at least 8 GB space to create a bootable USB flash drive. We recommend consider using a 8 GB USB flash drive. Okay, now to get started, now you need to using the Media Creation tool to create installation media. Go to the Microsoft official website and download the 10.5 MB Media Creation tool like this. After downloading, run the Media Creation tool. You need to be an administrator to run this tool. Then if you agree to the license terms, select accept. Then select the language edition for Windows 11. Next, which media you want to use. Select the USB flash drive. Insert a blank USB flash drive on your PC USB port with at least 8 GB of space. Any content on the flash drive will be deleted. Next, select a attached USB flash drive and then click on next. It will start the downloading ISO file and creating the Windows 11 installation media. This process will take for a while depending on your system. Be patient. Once complete the process, click finish to complete the process. You have successfully created Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive. You are done. That's all.
I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.